Hello students, good afternoon. So today we are going to start with our new lesson from EBS 1, that is composition of air. So in this lesson we are going to learn about air as a mixture, sources of components of air pollution, the bad effects of burning firecrackers. So in this lesson we are going to study everything about air, the air which you feel around yourself. So what is this air made up of? Which is the mixture? What are the different gases which are mixed in this air? How air is polluted? What is air pollution? How can you stop air pollution? Right? So we are going to study everything about air in this lesson. So first we will start with the think section. Arjun woke up early in the morning to go to school. He found that the air was fresh and cool. When he came back from school in the afternoon, he felt the air was not so fresh and cool. Do you know why? Okay, so here Arjun is one boy of your age. So he went to school in morning, in the early morning. जैसे आप लोग early morning school आते हो उसी तरह even Arjun went to school in early morning. So when he was going to school, that time air was very fresh. So he was feeling very fresh and cool, right? But when he was coming back home, जब उसकी स्कूल छूट गई और वो वापस जब घर आ रहा था, उस समय एयर उतना फ्रेश नहीं था. इन आफ्टरनून देर वॉज नो एयर एंड इट वॉज नॉट दैट फ्रेश. सो वाई इज इट सो? वाई दैट एयर वॉज नॉट कूल एंड फ्रेश? Yes, because in the early morning, right, it is very fresh around you. The air is also very cool, right? But in afternoon when the sun rises, it's too heat, right? The sun rises, so there is lot of heat, sunlight is present, so it is hot outside. And also because of, as all people go out, so all the vehicles or different things, smokes comes out, so air is not that fresh. All the pollution, all the polluted air is added in the air, right, in the atmosphere. So उस समय एयर उतनी फ्रेश नहीं होती है जितनी मॉर्निंग. इसीलिए सब लोग मॉर्निंग में वॉक करने जाते हैं, सो दैट दे कैन टेक फ्रेश एयर, उन्हें फ्रेश एयर मिलती है. So this is the reason. Now we will start with the remembering section. We know that air is all around us. Can you see air? आपको यहाँ पे कहीं पे air दिखाई दे रही है? No, you can't see air, but you can feel it. So air is everywhere. Air is present everywhere. Even अभी जब आप बैठ के ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, आपके आसपास air है, right? हवा हर तरह होती है. So we know that air is all around us. Air is a mixture of different gases. So what is air? It is a mixture of different gases. Gases are substances that can move around freely. So what are these gases? Gases ऐसे substances होते हैं जो कहीं पे भी freely घूम सकते हैं. आप देख नहीं सकते उसे, but it is everywhere. So in this way different mixture of gases, अलग अलग gases होते हैं जो mix होते हैं, तब आपको air मिलता है. But air is a thing which you cannot see but feel. So gases are substances. You are going to underline this. Underline, gases are substances that can move around freely. Gases do not have any shape of their own. They can fill any available space of any shape. So gases को ऐसे specific कोई shape नहीं होता है. It takes any shape everywhere. It is present everywhere. It can occupy any place. कहीं पे भी आपको gases मिल सकते हैं, right? So it is not that कि आपको एक container में ही भर के रखना है. No, it is present everywhere. It can move everywhere. So now which are those gases जिससे air बनता है? So the very first is oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. So these three are the gases, main gases: oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. You will repeat: oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen are the main gases present in air. Air is mostly made up of nitrogen and oxygen. Carbon dioxide and some other gases are present in smaller amount. So maximum amount कौन सा होता है? Oxygen and nitrogen. और बाकी सारे स्मोक, डस्ट और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ये जो गैस है, ये कम अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट है एयर में. सो एयर ऑल्सो कंटेन्स वाटर वेपर. आपने वाटर वेपर सुने होंगे. जब आपके आसपास जितने भी वाटर बॉडीज होती है, इट कैन बी रिवर, लेक, पॉन्ड, वेल, जो भी वाटर बॉडीज़ होती है बिकॉज ऑफ सनलाइट उसमें से जो पानी होता है वो इवेपोरेट होता है, राइट, उसके वेपर्स बनते रहते हैं एंड इट गोज अप इन द स्काई. सो ये वाटर वेपर्स भी एयर में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. सो एयर ऑल्सो कंटेन्स वाटर वेपर विच इज़ द gaseous form of water and some dust, even dust, you can see everywhere dust is present, right? So this dust is also present in air. Clean air does not have any smell or color. जो clean air होता है, fresh air होता है, उसका कोई color नहीं होता है और ना ही कोई smell भी होता है, right? So that is the clean air. So students, यहाँ तक I hope आपको ये समझ में आया है. So what you are going to do today, you will start reading this lesson. You are going to read the things section and the remembering section properly. Okay. Now you will underline the words gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor. ये words को आपको underline करके रखना है. Okay. Thank you.